Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on real numbers worksheet. So this video presents a simple worksheet on the topic of real numbers. If you don't know what is going on here, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on the link it will take you to the lesson and it will explain all about real numbers, and that will help you to do all these examples. So let's see what's required here. Number 1. Complete the following statement. The answer consists of two words. The set of rational numbers plus the set of irrational numbers make up the set of, and there are two words in the answer. Number 2. What types of numbers are integers? Number 3. Write down an example of a simple fraction and a mixed fraction. What is a terminating decimal? Write down one example of a terminating decimal. What are percentages? Write down one example of a percentage. What is a recurring decimal? Write down one example of a recurring decimal. What are irrational numbers? Write down 3 different irrational numbers. And the last one, what irrational number is used to find the area and perimeter of a circle? So this video has presented a very basic worksheet where we've been asked to answer different questions relating to real numbers, to the topic of real numbers. And we've mentioned many types of different numbers here, and all these different numbers that we've mentioned, they all are part of the set of real numbers. So if you're still not sure what to do, or you're not very clear about the idea of real numbers, on the next slide there is a link, and if you click on that link it will take you to the lesson, and it will explain in detail, or in more detail, what you need to know about the set of real numbers, and that will help you to answer these questions.